Grundig RF111 GB transistor radio.
Dust on the dial, wires hanging loose. Found it in a shed, they said it's no use. Cracked door case and tape deck won't spin, but I see the story underneath the skin. Pull every screw, lay it out clean like a time machine, frozen in between. Not just a fix, now I go all the way, bringing yesterday back to today. They call it junk, I call it gold. Every scar's a story that deserves to be told. I bring it back to life, one part at a time. From the silence to the sound, hear it come alive. Old school soul with a brand new drive. Yeah, P.I.T.C.O keeps the past alive. 40 more years, yeah, that's the plan. Built by heart, rebuilt by hand. From landfill ghost to a second chance. Turn it up loud, let the old tech dance. New old stocker, I make it myself. If it don't exist, I build it on the bench shelf. Capacitors, fresh belts running true. Heads cleaned up like they just left 72. Cassette decks humming, preview meters glow. That warm old sound you just don't get no more. 8-track rolling vinyl spinning round. That crackle and warmth, that's a real sound. They threw it away, said it's out of time, but I'm bringing it back, line by line. I bring it back to life, one part at a time. From the silence to the sound, hear it come alive. Old school soul with a brand new drive. Yeah, P.I.T.C.O keeps the past alive. 40 more years, yeah, that's the plan. Built by heart, rebuilt by hand. From landfill ghost to a second chance. Turn it up loud, let the old tech dance. Live on the stream, yeah, you can watch it rise. From broken down to a full surprise. YouTube nights and Twitch on fire. Watch dead machines get the spark back wired. It ain't just repair, it's respect for the craft. For every piece of history they tried to scrap. Hear that click, hear that whir. That's the sound of the past returning sun. Bring it back to life, hear the power ignite. From forgotten dust to shining bright, keeping legends breathing through the night. Yeah, P.I.T.C.O makes it right. 40 more years and maybe more. From broken bits to a raw once more. If it made a sound, I'll find a way to bring that old tech back to stay. So don't throw it out, don't say goodbye. There's still a spark if you just try. From the bench to the world, let's keep it alive. P.I.T.C.O-Tech-Repairs, we revive.
Products excludes Northern Ireland and Bush. See Tesco.com.
Lights gonna sing again on a Saturday night. Rolling through static, hum, crackle, and pain. Chasing blown caps like an old freight train. Yeah, we're doing what they say can't be done. One old stereo at a time, son. Got a pioneer clicking like a nervous old mule, and a T tape deck acting nobody's fool. Customer laughed, said you should junk that thing. Now it's spinning out Fleetwood like it's 1973 again. Workbench covered in screws and springs.
Stay tuned for the Kyoto S608 track repair, as donated to me by Mick from Retro Restore.
Come running when their speakers die. We're fixing what they say can't be fixed, bringing old school sound back into the mix. Them walnut cabinets polished bright, shining like Cadillacs under neon light, rolling through static hum, crackle and pain, chasing blown fuses like an outlaw train. Yeah, we're doing what they say